How can an American citizen marry in Italy? In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process. Hi and welcome to the Legal Wedding Planner, a firm created by legal consultants and wedding planners based in Italy. The first document you need as an American citizen is the affidavit. This document exists because of a bilateral agreement between Italy and the United States. The process is simpler and faster than for almost other nationalities. So you have to book an appointment at the US Consulate in Italy and swear before a US consular officer that there are no legal impediments to your marriage under the laws of the state where you live in the US. So the key advantage of the affidavit is that you don't need to bring any supporting documents, as you're swearing under your own responsibility. Once the US consular officer has countersigned the affidavit, we are ready to move to the next step, that is to legalize the affidavit at the competent Prefettura. The second document required for US citizens is the atto notorio. You can either swear the atto notorio at the Italian consulate in the US or before the Italian court. We recommend to swear the atto notorio before the Italian court, since you don't need to bring any document neither translated nor legalized. While with the affidavit you swear under US laws that there are no legal impediments to your marriage, with the atto notorio you swear under the Italian law the same thing, that there are no legal impediments to your marriage according to the laws of the state where you live in the US. And now that you have both documents, the affidavit legalized and the atto notorio, you are ready to get married in the town hall you have selected in Italy. There will be two appointments. The first one is the declaration of no impediment that is required for non-resident foreign citizens. The second one is the civil wedding ceremony that usually takes place 1 day after, 2 days later, and sometimes the same day of the declaration. Before the ceremony, there is one legal detail that almost nobody explains. Under Article 30 of Law 218/1995, the couple can choose the law governing their property regime. The couple can choose either the law of a state of which one of the two is a citizen or the law of the state where one of them is resident. We make sure this choice is formally recorded in the marriage record. In fact, after the civil marriage, we request the town hall to issue a specific document that is called estratto per riassunto dell'atto di matrimonio. In this document, it is mentioned the selection the couple has made regarding the matrimonial property regime. The last step is making sure your civil marriage in Italy is fully recognized in the United States. To start the recognition process, we request the town hall the estratto per riassunto dell'atto di matrimonio. This is the specific marriage certificate where your property regime choice is recorded. We take it to the Prefettura, which places an apostille on the certificate. The apostille is required under the Hague Convention, to which Italy and the United States are parties. After that, we hire a translator that translates the document from Italian to English and swears before a court official that the translation is accurate. Since the translation is itself a public document, it also needs an apostille. The second apostille is issued by the competent public prosecutor at the court where the translation was sworn. With these 4 steps, your marriage in Italy is fully recognized in the United States. If you're planning to get married in Italy and need legal assistance, feel free to reach out through our website. I will leave a link to our contact form and a link to our article about American citizens marrying in Italy in the description below. Thank you for watching and we look forward to seeing you in Italy.